Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the myEcon ID Defender. And if you don't know anything about this product or service, make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. And if you don't know anything about myEcon, chances are you're watching this video learning about the myEcon business opportunity. I also have more information on that link in the description down below. You can learn and discover how when you join myEcon team, which by the way is the fastest and largest growing team inside of myEcon, we give you over $10,000 in free value, including everything you need to start promoting your myEcon business today and making money today with myEcon. We'll give you the content, the marketing, the funnels, the app that will do the email follow-up for you, literally everything you need to get out there and go crush your myEcon business, which is why my team gives you all of that value and why we are the sought after team inside of myEcon, because of all the free value that we give away on the front end. Now, let's get into the video. If you're familiar with something called Lifelock, I'm sure you've heard of that before, especially if you live here in the United States. It's basically like a security system for your personal information, making sure that your information is protected at all times. That is exactly what ID Defender or Defender Plus does, and that comes with your myEcon membership. So there's multiple different levels you can lock into over at LifeLock, and trust me, this is much more cost effective to essentially provide to you the same amount of service at a fraction of the price. Not to mention, you can share this and make a really good amount of money with the myEcon compensation plan, much more than you would trying to sell LifeLock. Okay, so let's dive right in. It's really easy to access the program. Once you're on the inside here, you're going to be on this page that says BMC Home, and then you're simply going to click into the product, and it's going to open up to your personal account. As you can see right here, it says welcome Daniel, and then you're just going to click in, and then you're going to get access to everything you need inside of ID Defender. Now you can see all of the different services that are available here. I'm not going to go through every single one, but this is where you would set up your monitoring. This is where you would submit your personal information as far as like name, address. If you want to put your social security number in there, you can. Honestly, I would recommend that, because that's what this system does. It protects things like your social security information, also protects your address, your email. So if you have a Gmail account or Yahoo or whatever it is, this is going to help anytime somewhere out there on the dark web, someone's trying to use your personal information. This is going to monitor that for you, and it's going to send you an email when someone is trying to get access to your personal information. I've received several notifications when people are out there trying to use more access my personal information. What's also great in here is it also comes with ID insurance, ID restoration. So what does that mean for you? If, let's say, you lose your phone or you lose your wallet, this Defender, this ID Defender here, can literally go to work for you and help you replace credit cards. It can help you replace any personal information that you lost if you lost your phone or if you lost your wallet, and it can help you get those things back quickly and get you back up and running quickly. Again, all here inside of ID Defender. Okay, so if you value your personal information, and I hope you do, I would highly take advantage of this service. Now, this service is only available at the higher level. So there's 3 different levels to join with myEcon. Again, link in the description down below. You can get more information and also learn what you get when you partner with us. Matter of fact, I'll just show you right now. When you come over to our page, again, this link is in the description down below, you're going to see a page that looks just like this. Okay, it's going to let you know specific bonuses that you get when joining our team. And if you lock in at the higher level, there's 3 different levels to join. Okay, you have the $100 level here, you have the $40 level here, and then you have the $20 level here. This is one of the only pages in myEcon that we have created for our team that you will see all 3 levels all on one page. And you can see the bonuses that you get that come with our team over on the left-hand side. And of course, everything you get at the higher level when you lock in with myEcon, you're also going to get 10 spots in our rotator. But The $100 level is the only level that you're going to be able to get the ID Defender at. If you come in at the $20 or the $40 level, you're not going to get access to the ID Defender, and you're also not going to get access to the Zingo Travel Club, which I have another video on that gives you amazing benefits on travel, helping you save, giving you a guaranteed price to save, and also letting you earn points that you could redeem for free travel. So those two things you do not get unless you come in at the higher level. So I hope that makes sense. And I hope you see and understand a little bit more about what you get when you get the ID Defender with myEcon. It is a killer service. I'm using it now. It works really great. I love when I get those emails that says, hey, something's going on. You may want to go take a look at this, because then you know what's going on, and then you can react accordingly and make sure that your personal information is protected. And knowing for me that I have this service and it came with my myEcon membership, it makes me feel really great about this business, and knowing that 100% my personal information is secure. And God forbid anything were to happen, the ID Defender would help get everything restored and back to normal as quick as possible. So thank you for watching this video, my friend. Hope you have a little more of an understanding now of more products and services that you get inside of your myEcon membership. If you have any questions for me at all, my phone number is in the description down below. I also left it right at the top of this video, so you can reach out, text me, ask me anything. If you're ready to get started and activate your myEcon membership, link in the description down below. Come in, select your level, and let's help you get running using these products and services, because they are awesome and making money as quick as possible. And you can do that with our team once you start using our proven and documented system. More information on that in the description down below. Come see why we are the largest and fastest growing team inside of myEcon. And trust me, my friend, it is much better to be here on the inside, taking advantage of everything that we have to you, versus standing there on the outside looking in. See you on the next one, my friend. Take care.